Hello and welcome to Get Creative in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious one-pot chicken and rice. It's quick and simple, so let's get straight into it. Okay, so we're going to start by marinating our chicken first. I've got some chili powder to your taste, some turmeric, salt, and some yogurt. And we're going to mix that through nicely. We're going to let this marinate for half an hour. Okay, here's what we're going to need for this recipe. I've got my chicken that's been marinating for half an hour, and I've got my rice which I have washed till it's turned clear and you've got all the starches out, and then soak your rice for half an hour. So we're going to start by heating our pan up, and we're going to add our oil. Let the oil heat up. Once that oil is heated up, we're going to add our chicken. I have used chicken thighs. And I'm going to let that cook on each side for about 3 minutes. It's been about 3 minutes, so we're just going to turn this over and cook it on the other side. We're going to let that cook for another 3 to 4 minutes on the other side. Okay, it's been about 4 minutes. I'll just check. My chicken is looking good. We're going to take the chicken out. And we're going to set our chicken aside. I'm going to add another teaspoon of oil to this. And I'm going to take out all those leftover chicken bits. Okay, so my oil is hot. I'm going to add my dry ingredients. I'm going to start with my star anise, some peppercorns, and my bay leaf. Just mix that through. Time now for the onions to go in. I'm just going to cook my onions till they get slightly translucent. Okay, our onions are looking good, so we're going to add our ginger and garlic paste. And just saute that for about a minute. That's smelling beautiful. Okay, I'm happy with that. So the chicken goes back in. And now I'm going to add my coconut milk. So I've just used a canned coconut. So it's the coconut milk, and I'm just going to mix that through for a few minutes. I'm going to turn the heat up. time for my coriander to go in. Garam masala. And I'm going to cook that through for about 3 minutes. It smells beautiful with the coconut. Okay, I'm just going to turn the heat down a bit. It's time now for the rice to go in. That coconut milk is going to make it nice and rich and creamy. I can get the smell of the coconut. It smells delicious. A little bit more salt for the rice. Mix that through. It's now time for the water to go in. I'm just going to wait till this water comes to a simmer and then I'll put the lid on. I've just added a bit of coriander, which is optional. I forgot to have the record button on, but you can see the coriander went in. And I'm just going to wait for this to come to a simmer before I put the lid on. Okay, my water has come to a simmer. So I'm going to put the lid on and check in 5 minutes. So see you in 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes, so let's have a look. Oh, that's smelling good. Okay, so I'm just going to check the rice. Needs a little bit more cooking. Tastes beautiful. So I'm going to put the lid back on for another 5 minutes on a low heat. So see you in 5. Okay, it's been about another 5 minutes. I'm just going to check this. Let's give that a mix. Beautiful. I'm happy with that. Let's check our rice. Our rice is cooked through. I can get a nice strong aroma of the coconut, which is beautiful. I'm going to top this up with coriander, some more fresh coriander. I love the smell of that coconut and coriander. Lovely. There you have it, a beautiful one-pot chicken and rice with coriander and coconut, which absolutely smells divine. So give this recipe a try and let me know what you think in the comments. See you in the next video.